welcome to Love Jane. I'm Jane, and today I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite juices. It is a carrot juice, and it is very delicious. It is inspired by one of my favorite juices from one of my favorite juice bars, Big Squeezy. Now, I haven't been to Big Squeezy in a while, but when I do go, I love to get the 24 karat, the sweet green, and the skinny green. Today, today this juice is my carrot juice, and it is inspired by the 24 karat. One day I said, I'm gonna try to get just a little close, and to my surprise, the very first try, I think it tastes like the 24 karat. So I'm very excited to share this. Let's get started. So we're gonna start with the star of the show, the carrots. I'm going to put the carrots in the juicer. I am using baby carrots. They've already been washed. Everything's been washed and clean, including my hands. And so I'm going to begin. So I'm going to add in the carrots. I'm going to turn it on low. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. That's it. I usually turn it off before I start juicing, and do it a little bit at a time. So let's do that today. Getting these carrots in there. This juice is super easy to make. Of course, it does not require a lot of ingredients. It's very delicious. And the recipe that I'm sharing, you're gonna get a number of drinks out of this. Start by adding in our apples. Okay, not too much at a time. Okay, I'm putting these apples in there, and I am excited. I cannot wait to try this. It is one of my favorite juices, and I'm excited to share it today. And I think you're gonna like it. So now we're gonna start by continue by putting our some pears in there. Feel free to adjust this recipe as you choose. If you feel like you want, less apple or less pear, that's up to you. It's absolutely up to you. It smells delicious. Okay, now our last ingredient, we have lemon. All right, let's see. to taste this deliciousness. I already know how it tastes, but I'm super excited to taste it right now. What I always like to do is stir it up a little bit because we've combined some ingredients. So yeah, we're gonna start. I'm just stirring this deliciousness, stirring it up. Now the fun part. I get to taste it. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is how it looks. Oh yeah, this is delicious. This is very delicious. If you would like this recipe or any other recipe that I share, you can visit me at love-jane.com.